Almost all traders love a key news event because we know it's going to create some volatility and opportunities to trade. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our economic calendar for Forex trading. Here is how you use the economic calendar from Global View. First, to access it, you click on the link in the upper menu bar. You have the time it's coming out, the indicator, whether it's going to be a low, medium, or high impact. You can see here this is low, medium. Here's a high. What does that mean? Well, there's kind of third tier, second tier, and first tier. Third tier would be low, second tier medium, first tier high. And why they're set up this way is the potential impact on a change in monetary policy. In other words, if it's a high impact indicator, it might influence a central bank in making a monetary policy decision, or at least the expectations of such by the market. So you can tell which is going to be low, medium, or high. That helps you determine whether you want to fade a reaction or whether that reaction will have some legs. The higher the tier, the greater the potential impact. Then we have, after it comes out, we actually have the actual number. Here is a consensus forecast, a consensus of economists, what the market expects. And here was previous, so the previous month, the previous quarter, depending on the indicator, but it tells you what it came out last month, whether it's expected to increase or decrease, and then you know how the market's going to react. If it beats estimates, you're going to get a reaction one way. If it misses estimates, you're going to get a reaction the other way. For example, here, this indicator, forecast was 110 basically. Previous was 116. It beat the upside at 117. Now let me give you an illustration of a high impact indicator. I'm going to go all the way to Friday, where the key event for the month came out, and you can look at our weekly economic calendar that comes out, preview, and you'll see what's coming out in advance and how important it is. You go down all the way down here, and you'll see, since we're focused on interest rates in the market, this is the U.S. PCE price index. It's the most important. It's called personal spending and consumption. It's what the Fed's favorite inflation number is. You can see here, it's a high impact number. Also, what comes out are key speakers. Here, the chairman of the Fed speaking on Friday. That is a high impact. So just to sum up, you know what the impact is. You know what the market forecast is, the consensus, what it was previous. And if you go back till today, after a number comes out, the actual number will be shown in this economic calendar. So that's how you use the calendar to at least prepare yourself for a key or a data event. How to interpret it and how to trade it is for a different story, but this is how you use our calendar. It's a fantastic calendar. Gives you everything you need to be prepared for an economic release or key speech or key monetary policy decision by a central bank. And here's a neat feature. If you click on any of the indicators, your left mouse, it'll pop up a chart showing you what the history has been, what the trend is, and it'll help you prepare for the news event. And that's our economic calendar. You find it extremely useful to help you prepare for any upcoming news event.